gonna shoot me or something? Come on, do it! I wanna go home. I don't like this party. I'm allergic to people. I keep hearing voices inside my head. They tell me to eat my veggies.
You fell out of the skiff after you drove it into a tree. Now that I'm in charge, Shadow Weaver won't be the only one. Why are you looking at me like that? Wait. No. I know what this is about. Ugh, I knew you'd be weird about me letting you escape. I told you it's not because I like you.
That's enough, Ed.